Yeah, I haven't really worked in a while. Honestly, it sounds hard, just the thought of it. Um, feel like some jobs should make it optional to just get your hands onto a free pack of cigarettes, just to just keep up your will to live and just keep working. Just take some antidepressants and then you're good. I don't smoke, but whenever life hits like a wave, I do think about it, even though I know I likely never will. But it has, over time, with time, it has seems to broaden my understanding of that. It's so funny how you just never know what's gonna come your way. It's just whatever, man. But thankfully, I will be having a fixed schedule maybe in the future. Later on, maybe. Maybe not too long from now. There are birds out here. So, the world, that's just, the world, that's just a sign that the world isn't dead yet.